Hello, and welcome to another update video on Solana. Solana is currently showing the exact pattern that we talked about yesterday. I mean, yesterday around the same time, I recorded a video, and yeah, Solana has kind of followed the script perfectly. I mean, perfectly. So does that mean we have to turn around? Unfortunately not, but at least we have a nice reversal candle. We have a reaction exactly to the 61.8 retracement at around 180, no, hold on, where it is. Yeah, $186.50, and the 100% extension at $189.10. So we have an ideal pattern. We have a pattern that we can call an ABC structure. And if we now see some upside momentum come in, then this could be the indication that the next leg to the upside has started. That would be either a third wave or a C wave. So that's exactly what we want to see here on the Solana chart. However, obviously, it's a bit too early to say that we've bottomed because we haven't even taken out this previous swing high. And really what is more relevant, I think, is that we get above this trend line here, which has provided resistance for quite some time now, obviously since it broke down last week. And in this range here, the price seems to remain capped as long as we stay below this line and below this high. So what we want to get above now, next, as a first indication that we've really bottomed. I mean, it's already looking good, but yeah, it's very small still. So we want to see some more upside momentum, and I would pay particular attention to the area that's located here around $208 to $211. This would be ideal, yeah? So getting above this zone, which I would view as a zone of resistance, would help magnify, increase, yeah, upside momentum, and would, let's say, add some confidence, yeah, to that short-term bullish thesis I've been sharing with you over the last few days. Because at the moment, Solana is still just moving sideways, and there is just not much confidence here in this move. Very choppy structure, yeah, very messy, and basically only a 3-wave move up so far. We always need 5 really for confidence. And also after a sell-off like that, like on Friday, the market just is caught in uncertainty, and that's what the charts reflect. I mean, the charts simply are a reflection of market sentiment. Essentially, what we see here is a pattern, is a structure that's built from market sentiment. Because market sentiment is so abstract, we need a tool to be able to identify, what's going on and which levels are relevant. And that's our model. That's Elliot Wave. But essentially, Elliot Wave tells us the market is still very uncertain, but there is a chance for higher prices. And Elliot Wave also gives us the ideal support levels, which are here between $180.38 and $191.04. Now, why do I say this pattern has unfolded perfectly? Now, if you follow us on X, then you know that already. If you don't, I recommend you do, because you get additional updates here throughout the day as well. Not as many as in our gold membership, but there are quite a few additional updates. So yesterday, around the same time, when was that? Yeah, same time, yesterday, I posted that, well, basically here, if you open that, you see that we expected this C wave to the downside. Yeah, the price was testing, right, this resistance area, and the idea was we could get another test of support. And especially in the video update yesterday, I called out this area around $186, $187. Now, I would say this is a textbook pattern that was followed perfectly. So you see the price formed that C wave to the downside in 5 waves. So that means it could be complete. Does it mean a full pattern guarantees a reversal? No. Yeah, a full pattern does not guarantee an upside reversal for us, but it is a first step, and it's promising what's going on here at the moment. Definitely something to watch further today. That we're trying to break above this previous swing high is already helpful, but a move above this resistance zone I shared earlier around, yeah, $208 to $212 would be the next objective for the bulls. And ideally, of course, and needless to say, ideally we hold above today's low. But if we break below, then $180.38 would be the next support level to watch, and could still just be an extension of this wave 2. So that's the update on Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to follow us as well on X for additional charts, updates. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.